Yo, what is up, y'all? We're back outside with the G35. It's already running. Y'all hear it? It got the little It's not cam though. But y'all, if y'all missed out on the last videos, y'all know this car went through a full complete transformation. I'm talking full interior, red seats, black headliner. We got new wheels for the G. It got wrapped. It got the exhaust work done. I had to do some engine work because, you know, we had like intakes messing, not intake messing, spark plugs and ignition coils, misfires and all that other stuff. New battery. I didn't put that on camera because y'all need to see me put a new battery in. But new battery, changed some fuses. I changed every fuse in this car inside the cabin area, not the engine area. But those ones are good because those ones are a little bit more pricey, if you know what I mean. But we got a second set of wheels. I painted the original wheels. Y'all, this car is going good right now. Right now, I'm about to take it for a little drive. We're going to take it somewhere. I'm going to take some pictures, you know, do some little content, you know. I'm feeling a little good right now, so let's see how things go. I'm not gonna lie though, yesterday this car wasn't going to drive, but it's because like I had a piece messed up. The steering wheel is just so heavy every time I get in this car, yo. Turn signals working though, that's Gucci, This is like a test drive / safety inspection right now. I'm doing for myself, just to make sure everything is good. If I do decide to sell this car and, you know, stick somebody with the car. Come on, bro, hurry up, G. Hold on.
My wrist all green like my watch face. My bankroll blue as a crybaby. And my outfit up in the crown rack.
To this point, y'all, the car, not gonna lie, the car's looking good, y'all. Just from this angle, you can see so much. We got carbon fiber wrapped in the mirror caps. We got the shiny exhaust with the chromey wheels. Not chrome, but you know, they silver. They a little close, you know. Then we got the blue badge cover. The headlights got fixed up. I cleared the headlights. Those are done. Black grill, red seats. I got the little plastic on them to protect them. This car's good. This car's looking solid right now. Not gonna lie. But we got one more thing, y'all. One more thing. This piece right here. This is the last piece missing. It's the last piece missing, bro. So, originally, y'all, I ordered Claire's, but then I didn't realize it was for a coupe. So now I just have an extra set of Claire's. It was literally the first thing I ordered for this car, yo, because I wanted to do Claire's. It was for a coupe, so I don't fit this car, but don't get too close to the wrap and look that good.
Oh, it's a nice car, man. Yo, that's your car?
Yeah.
That shit nice, man.
Thanks, bro.
How much you pay for it?
$500, bro.
No way you pay $500 for this beautiful fucking piece of work.
Yeah, bro. Well, I mean, it wasn't like this when I got it, but you know, $500 got the car itself, and then, you know, I did a couple of things here and there.
Couple things. What couple things you did?
Well, I mean, like, I guess major things. You know, these are new wheels. It got, you know, a wrap. It's blue. It wasn't blue. It was gray.
I can tell.
I got red seats in there, so you know, red guts.
Oh.
They're looking pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, I mean, it's my first time doing a lot of this stuff, so I never, you know, experienced this stuff really. But I mean, for first time reasons, I think it did pretty good.
Wait, so you're not a professional like mechanic or some shit? Like you're not a professional?
Nah, you know what's crazy? I'm going to college for marketing, bro. I'm just doing this on the side, bro, having fun.
Wow, man, it's crazy. So like, what was your favorite part of working on the car?
All right, so not gonna lie, I think my favorite part working on this car was probably the seats, just because that was like the biggest transformation, and like I guess like the whole interior in general, because it's red seats. The headliner is now transferred to black. Everything that's black in it was tan, and then I also did like carbon fiber detailing everywhere and stuff. So I think that's like my most noticeable and like favorite piece about working on this car.
Okay, so like when you first bought the car, did you ever envision it getting it to this point, or did you just like do shit as you went on, like just did stuff?
So I'm not gonna lie. Originally, like when I first got the car, I was thinking like complete different stuff. I was gonna go black, put clear taillights on it, slam it on the ground. But then I had to think like where I live, I wouldn't even be able to get out my driveway if I did. So next build, I'm gonna do that. But I didn't see it in this direction, honestly. Like, sometimes I was thinking like just fixing it and just like taking it to like sell it, like just fix it up and sell it like off rip, you know, get some money off it, quick money. But then I was like, it slowly was like, yo, like this could be fun. I like it. It's a vibe. So somehow, some way, it turned into all this, you know?
Okay. So, how attached are you to the car now? Do you see yourself selling it anytime soon? Like you did a lot of work on it, so like, What's your plans?
So literally yesterday, I
And
had
it's
a
also your first build too, so your first official build by yourself.
yeah. I mean, like, people watch the channel. You know, I have like the G37. Like, I've done that build, but like sometimes like, I had to take it to the shop for certain things here and there. But this is like my first like official like only me build. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low key attached, low key, y'all. I was like, damn, like I don't want to sell it because like I did all this, I did that. Like nobody's gonna appreciate all the work that I put into it. But then I started thinking like, at the end of the day, like I know like my end goal and like some cars that I want to get like down the line. And while this is fun and this is nice right now, like this wasn't even on my list of cars that I was gonna get next. And it just so happened that this came like like a middle point. But right now I have a goal car I'm trying to get next, and I think I'm gonna go and sell it and like get that gold car I'm looking for right now.
Okay. Any hints about the cars you? Damn, it's loud as fuck. Shut the fuck up. Anyways, so any goals for cars that you? Bro, what is that? What's up, nigga? That shit is scraping, bro.
It's not even
Anyways,
low. Yeah.
so any hints to like the next car you want to work on? Anything?
Yeah, I can give a couple of hints. I'm not gonna lie, I did have like a list of cars that like I got a 10 car list. A 10 car list. I'm not gonna tell you obviously any of the cars. I mentioned 3 of them in my previous video before I talked about cars. So right now I guess like my next goal, like I don't know, it kind of changes, but right now I'm looking towards something German. I'm feeling low key a beam. Just cause like I wanna do a beam just to, like see like how far I can send it for real for real. But at the same time, like the Benz would be nice, y'all. So I got a beam in mind, Benz. I'm thinking about he really just had to do that just because
Nigga
he seen me
sending that
recording,
piece of
bro.
shit,
He
bro.
literally saw us recording and just said, "Yeah, I'm gonna sell my Volkswagen." Like, bro, this car would smoke that, bro.
Don't worry.
Anyways, yeah, something German right now. Thinking, that's what I'm thinking. Something German.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got any more
Okay.
questions, bro?
Well, what else can I say, man? You did quite a lot to this car. You mind? Did you give the car to your cameraman, or like, what's your?
Cut.
What's the worst thing you got? What's the thing you hated working on the most with this car?
Not gonna lie, the wrap was like a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna lie, cause like pulling it, like trying to like realize how to pull it and stuff. Like I never did that process, so that was a pain. But I think like honestly, the worst part is like whatever that noise in the rear that I'm hearing when I'm driving. It's like the brakes is like rubbing on the rotors, I think, and like they're like not like like coming off. So I think that's like the noise I'm hearing. Like it's like while they're rotating, I'm hearing that noise. So I feel like that's like my like most annoying thing because it's like I keep hearing it. Like I'll go away sometimes and come back. So I don't know if it's like brake fluid problem or like just like the brakes itself is not expanding. I think it's because they're new pads on like old like rotors, old rotors and like pistons. So I think like they just need some time. So right now that's my most annoying thing because like I just don't know like what's up with that, you know?
Okay. Well, anything? What's the biggest difference? Because you have the G37 already. So what's the difference between the G35 and the G37? Like, what's the biggest difference that you noticed while working on this car?
Honestly, like there wasn't much difference. I feel like the biggest difference I actually did learn was in the interior with the headliner. So the headliner, like, it's a little hard to like pull out in this car because there's so many like weird adapters to it, and even like the handles. I didn't even put the handles back in, and on one side of you, I didn't even put the mirror back in, just because like it's so much like the little screws and stuff that like are so like hard to work with. But I think the biggest difference and like the hardest thing like about it is just that this car is older, so like things are in it is like more rusty and like things are a little bit more harder to get out and break off and stuff. Like I've had screws just break off, like complete just break off the car while working on it. But I mean, I'm not mad, I just got new screws, new bolts, and nuts and bolts. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all. So yeah, I don't know. I think like honestly speaking, I'm really happy the direction this car went. I feel like it went well. There's like little things to it that I'm like, I wanted to try. I wanted to do like new things I wouldn't normally do in my car, like having the exhaust come out the side, rear instead of just having it straight like out the back. I want to try that. I never did that before. Doing a blue wrap. I never thought of having a blue car. Like I said, I wanted to do this car black originally, so it's like things like that. Doing the seats red. There's so much things that like I did in this car that like I wanted to experiment and like learn the process of doing it, and this was just the perfect car to do it. Because at the end of the day, I messed something up in this car. I paid $500 for the car, and it may cost me like maybe like $20, $50 to buy the part back whenever I broke. So I feel like it was a good learning experience, something that, like, you know, if you're into cars and you want to learn something like this, I feel like buying a cheap car like this and learning like the little process on how to do things, take care of certain things, is really good. Obviously, I'm not telling you guys go buy the first $500 car, first $20 car you see, but you know, you should see something for a reasonably good price, and you're like, you want to learn something on the side. I think this is a good way to start, just because, you know, it's something on the side. It's not registered. I'm not paying insurance on it or nothing, so I don't have to worry about, like, you know, paying bills monthly. Like, I pay the car out, you know, and it's something that, you know, take your time and learn the process. And, you know, I feel like if you're aspiring to do something like this, you can do it, because I've never done any of this stuff before, and I just, you know, said one day I'm gonna do it while being a college student. Like, I have a job, like 2 jobs. I'm a college student. You know, I got working on the side of this. So if you guys want to do something like this, you know, just do it. Honestly, that's most I can say to y'all. Like, just being inspirational wise and motivating y'all. Just do it. You never know how far it can come, man. I wouldn't imagine I would have came this far with this car, to be honest. Thank y'all for watching the video. Thank y'all for tuning in. You know, like the video, comment down your thoughts below. What would y'all do to this car if y'all had it? What more would you add right now? What's something like, would you do more engine work or something like that? You know, what would y'all do? And see y'all in the next one. Let me know what y'all want to think. Let me know what y'all want to see for the next build. Next video after this is going to be like a little hint or a little teaser to the next build, or maybe a price breakdown of this build. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, and peace.